Alright, so what's up, YouTube? It's been a couple weeks. My last video, I said that my ominous quadcopter, uh, after only a few flights, the left rear motor failed and took a dive on me. It's been like 2 weeks I've been trying to get a replacement motor. Um, I ordered one online, and when I got it, it was the correct packaging. The label said that it was the counterclockwise motor for the left rear right front of the Ominous, but the motor that was inside the packaging was indeed the opposite and was for the right rear left front motor. And you could tell the difference uh, from the two between the color of the wires that go to the lead. The black and white here, that is a clockwise motor. The counterclockwise wires are red and blue. So I said I'd do a little quick video on how to replace the motor. Because of the crash, I also ended up bending a shaft for the props. So these are the replacement pack that I bought. I've already replaced the shaft in it. It's pretty simple. There is a screw there on the prop that you undo. That comes off, and that allows the shaft to slide out the bottom. Then after that, you just replace it with the new shaft and put the screw back in, and then that's it. But as far as the motor goes, it's pretty simple, actually. There's a screw right there that holds the motor guard in place. So all you got to do is, with a screwdriver, remove that screw. There's a little tab here that you could just undo, and then the motor guard pops right off, exposing the motor. As you can see, the red and blue wire, like I said, this is the actual counterclockwise motor. That's not what they originally sent me. They had sent me this one that has the black and white. Even though the packaging, the label was correct, the motor was wrong. So they ended up sending me a new one anyway, finally. So anyway, this is the motor. Now that you've taken the cover off, there's a plug here. That just unplugs. And then this motor slides out. Just like that. Okay, it's very, very easy. So then you take the new motor, slide it back into place. Plug the motor back in. Put the motor guard back on. That clicks into place. And then you just need to put the main screw back in. Okay, back in place. She should be ready to go now. And that's it. Pretty easy and very quick. I basically did that with one hand while I was showing that to you. So this thing is really easy to work on as long as you get the right parts for it when you order them. So, alright guys, hope that helps, and if I break anything else, I'll do another video on how to replace it. Alright guys, thanks.